Racing just started via Eagle Swings. Break quickly to start. Security Pro, Brazilian Babe, Eroria outside. Fiery Princess, Soul Provider comes next. Royal Fair, then followed over now by entry number 14. Die will be done. Gobernadora, Conquista Royal, and Getty. Manpower, Power of Grace. Next on that is Golden Square, while Bounce of the Wind is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Security Pro applying a little pressure now. That is Eagle Swings. Then 3 lengths back in third comes Soul Provider, Royal Fair. Alongside now is Die Will Be Done. Fiery Princess comes next. Conquista Royal, Gobernadora, then followed by Manpower and Getty. Next on line now is Brazilian Babe, Golden Square, then followed over by Power of Grace, while Bounce of the Wind is racing in 14th. And at the far turn we have Security Pro is still in control by our length, and in second comes Eagle Swings. Then here comes Fiery Princess, now coming closer in third, together with Die Will Be Done as they swing for home. Security Pro is still in command by our length. Down on the inside is Fiery Princess. Eagle Swings here on the outside. Die Will Be Done with about 100 meters of the race. Security Pro by our length carry up, and in second comes Fiery Princess, and finally it's Security Pro. Fiery Princess, then comes Eagle Swings, Manpower, Royal Fair, and number 2, Conquista Royal.
No amount of hounding coming from